Today let's learn how to moisturize the Model 1216 and 1016 machines. Prepare a sponge with a thickness of about 3 centimeters, and then wrap it with 3 to 4 layers of plastic wrap. The size of the sponge is about the same as the bottom board. Also prepare some dust-free cloth, a clean syringe, a valve switch, and a bottle of moisturizer. Move the car to a suitable position, and then raise the it. Close the software. Find the switch button on the side of the machine. Now it is in the horizontal state. Let's rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise until it's vertical. It is now turned off. Unscrew the screws at the left and right ends. Then open the cover. This is the secondary cartridge, and this is its switch. And now it's open. We need to close it. It's closed right now. Raise the car to the appropriate height. We inhale the moisturizer with a syringe. Let's start injecting moisturizer now. Open the dust plug. Insert the syringe head in. And start pressing the syringe piston. When pressing, the force should be even and not too hard. Press once to release. About 2 or 3 seconds to press once. Press once to release. When injecting, pay attention until the water column flowing out of the printheads is uniform and transparent. Like this, basically without the color of ink. So it is okay. Okay, so we're done with the cartridge wash of moisturizer. The cleaning of each ink cartridge is the same step. Repeat the first step and so on. After injecting the moisturizer, we stick the plastic wrap on the platform and put the pre-prepared sponge on it. Now we take out the dust-free cloth and spread it evenly on the sponge. The dust-free cloth I spread here is about 4 to 5 layers thickness, which is the standard for moisturizing for 7 days. According to the number of days of moisturizing, the thickness of the dust-free cloth should be increased appropriately. After spread the dust-free cloth, we must pay attention that there should be no gaps on the dust-free cloth, and it must be spread evenly. Now we take out the moisturizer and pour it evenly on our dust-free cloth. Try to lower it as much as possible, and soak it evenly, so that there is moisturizer everywhere. Okay, now the wipe is saturated with moisturizer. When the machine is powered off, we slowly move the printing car under the board wheel. Well, at this point we can see that the sponge is parallel to the bottom board of the printhead. After moving to such a position, find the knob of the car and slowly turn it down. At this time, we must ensure that the car and the bottom board just press the sponge. But at the same time, it cannot be pressed too tight. Like this, and now we push it slightly. The sponge can still move, then we can continue to press down. Such standards are acceptable. After we moisturize the printheads, we need to reinstall the front cover, and then we take out the plastic wrap to wrap the car. When wrapping the plastic wrap, try to use 2 people to operate that. One person is holding the car, and the other is wrapping. This will make the operation more convenient and faster. When wrapping horizontally, we must pay attention to the contact between the sponge and the bottom board. It must be sealed with plastic wrap to prevent it from being exposed to the air. Well, this is the most important point. Now our moisturizing work is done.